Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how Bootstrap framework can be integrated in Django app. This is very simple app which was created in the beginning of this Django series. Let me show you the output. Activate virtual environment, locate your project directory. In my case, I have shopping directory. I will run the command manage.py run server. My local host environment is ready. If I type this URL on my browser, you will be able to see a very rough landing page, right? Homepage Django. We have also created sublinks for about and contact. Okay, this way we had also created class-based view and then function-based view. Okay, so this is how the previous tutorial we had created to understand views in Django. So these are the routes which we are using for this sample application. Against each route, we are calling our view functions. You see, and these functions are written in the views.py, home view, about view, contact view, and these templates we are using to render our view. Okay, this is very simple app. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a popular front-end framework that provides a set of pre-designed UI components that includes navigation bar, forms, buttons, and many more controls. So by integrating Bootstrap with Django, you can create a responsive web design that looks great on any device, from desktop computers to smartphones and tablets. However, there are many ways to integrate Bootstrap in Django, but most easy and simplest way is to refer Bootstrap CDN links. Today, almost all websites and applications rely on CDN to help serve content to their user. Web applications use CDNs largely because they offer four important benefits: better performance, increased readability, cost savings, and resilience against cyber attacks. So let's see how to integrate Bootstrap framework in Django via CDN links. What I'm gonna do is to refer these links on my base template, right? If you notice, we have used our static CSS file and JS file. Just comment the reference of this custom style, and I'm going to refer these links from here. Okay, just put this link into your header tag, right? The another link which refers the related JavaScript functions for Bootstrap, just copy this as well. All right, I have saved the file. Just refresh the page now for your application. You will see a bit difference on the page, right? So now I'm going to use a container class, right? This container class actually is used to pad an alignment of the page content. I have a div, I say class and say container, save the file, refresh the page, you will see that the content of this function view is being moved to the right a bit. Okay, so that is first change. If you want to apply the CSS on this button, you can do this as well. We are going to call a class. Let me search buttons. We have buttons. You will be able to see many classes, right? You just copy the style and put it on your button, right? I have saved the file. You will see that our button is changed. So this style is for primary button. Okay, if you want to make it success button, just change the style sheet. Just make it success. Save the file. Your button is changed now. So this is how we can integrate Bootstrap into Django app via CDN links. The another way is to add Bootstrap 5 into a Django project manually. We can download Bootstrap related file in our app and we can refer locally. Let me comment these links first. refresh the app. My app is now flattened. Okay. So what I'm going to do, we have to download the content, right? From where we can download? You will be able to get all CSS and JavaScript file for Bootstrap framework. It is done. Let me open the folder, extract the files. Just copy both folders to your application directory. Go to the static folder. So these folders contains all Bootstrap related CSS files and JS files. Okay, so that's enough. We can also create a folder, or what we can do, we can create a Bootstrap folder to segregate these framework. Bootstrap. Okay, so we have Bootstrap folder. One more thing we have to do, we have to download icons as well. I have a link. Just click on this version. You can see a GitHub repo over there and click on this zip files. You will be able to download this icon package as well for Bootstrap. Click on save. Go to the download folder, extract it. Files are extracted. Just copy fonts and these CSS files to your Bootstrap folder. Let me minimize this. Now the next step is to modify our base.html file. This is our base template, and I'm going to refer these Bootstrap files locally. Okay. We have a static folder. Inside static, we have Bootstrap folder, then we have CSS, then Bootstrap min.css. Okay. Similarly, we have icon.css as well in the same directory. All right. I have saved the file. One more link I have to copy, that is for JavaScript, that is bootstrap bundle.min.js. Save the file and refresh your application. You will see we have our bootstrap changes back on the page. Now we are able to integrate bootstrap framework locally. Okay, I want to put a alarm icon on my page, so that will work with help of this icon file. Okay, you will be able to see a alarm icon on the page. You see, if you want to show a tabular data on your page, that is also possible with help of table tag, a table tag. And we are using class table hover that comes from Bootstrap. There are 4 columns and we have 3 rows. Okay, as soon as I save the file and refresh my page, you will be able to see a nice grid. Okay, so this way you can represent your data in tabular form. You can also integrate Bootstrap 5 by installing Bootstrap module in your Django app. Let me stop the application and let me remove all Bootstrap files from my local application, and I will install Bootstrap 5 module in my Django app, right? Let me run the app again just to make sure that Bootstrap is not integrated. I have run the application again. When you refresh your page, you will see very odd layout, right? Install Bootstrap 5 module in our Django app. Okay, so I have a command to install Bootstrap 5. We are installing Django Bootstrap version 5. This is a virtual environment folder. You will be able to see the Bootstrap 5 module. The next step is to refer this Bootstrap 5 module in our settings.py file. Okay, let's go to settings.py and refer this Bootstrap app. Okay, Bootstrap 5 is now ready to use in your project. Now go to the base.html file and just comment out this link. We don't need this. Okay, even we don't need this local reference as well, right? I have saved the file. So Bootstrap is not integrated. We are going to refer the Bootstrap 5 module on our base.html page. How to refer it? I'm going to use load template, Bootstrap CSS, and Bootstrap JavaScripts. So these are the templates we have to refer on our base.html file. Just save the file, run the application, refresh your page. You will be able to see the style again. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna improve my application design, right? Because there are many views which are not showing well, right? We have landing page. I'm gonna create navigation links about contact function based view, class based view. So I have code handy to save some time. So this is a base.html. I'm now going to remove all contents and paste my content, right? There is not much difference, only we have navigation link with help of Bootstrap classes. We have also used container for child content. In this block template, we are going to replace the child content. Okay, that will come under this container class, right? On the top of the child content, we will be able to see few navigation link. As soon as I save the file and refresh the page, you will be able to see navigation link. You see, that seems really cool. Okay, we have contact page, we have about, we have function based views. Okay, I'm gonna improve all these views quickly, right? With the help of this base template. So by extending this base template, I'm gonna improve all child templates, right? So for home, I have content ready. Let me remove and paste new content. I've also shift the button to the home page, right? I have saved the file, refresh the view, click on home. You will be able to see a very nice design. Okay. So this is home view. In the same way, update my about view. This is my about view, about, save the file, copy. We have contact and see contact page. Save the file, save about.html, refresh the application. You will see about page, contact page, home page. That's really cool, right? So only two views are remaining in order to design, right? Function and class. I'm gonna put some tabular design for this type of data because we are using database model by which we are showing these items. Okay, so I have a list view that contains a title of the item and the description. So I'm gonna improve this design. Let me remove it. I have code handy. I'm using class container and then I'm using table class. We have two columns, title and description, and then the data we are getting from our model, and then it is showing the data title and the description. Okay, I have saved the file, refresh the page. You will be able to see very nice tabular data. There are two columns, title and description. Even title contains a navigation link to connect a detailed view, right? but we have not yet designed the detail view. Okay, I have content ready for this child view as well. Let me remove it. I'm extending the same base.html template for the detail of the item. I'm just showing title and the description in this form. I have saved the file. As soon as you refresh the page, you will be able to see the same design, right? Where you are getting the detail of this item. All right. Look at item number 3. You will see item number 3. All right. In the same way, I'm going to put the CSS on my class based view. I'm going to paste it, right? I'm extending the base template again, and we have block tag. Here I'm showing item list, and this is the same object that we are iterating for each database model. Okay, let's save the file, refresh the page. You will be able to see a very nice page. Okay, or let me do this another way. I'm now going to use the same design what we are using in our function based view. Okay, since this is a class view, I'm going to apply the same design. Okay, so cart items, I'm using base.html. Then again, I'm using container class and then table class. We have two columns on the table, and then we are iterating our model with help of for tag and then title and the description. Here we are ending for loop. Save the file, refresh the page. You will see the same design, right? What we have on our function based view. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how to integrate Bootstrap 5 in Django framework. So hit a like button and give me the comment down below of this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.